Mama,
What?
I need you to be a big bird.
You're looking for a big bird?
Yeah.
How do you call the big birds?
I can't find it.
You can't find it?
Yeah.
What do you do for the birds?
I can't find it.
Can you whistle?
Yeah. I can't do it in
Okay.
my mouth.
Okay, do it again.
I can't do it.
You can't do it?
Yeah, maybe you do it.
Like that?
Yeah. Now it's coming.
Now the bird's coming.
Yeah.
Can you do it again?
Yeah. I can.
Yeah. What kind of bird did you see?
Oh no. Blackbird.
A blackbird?
Yeah. A fly. Big bird is up in the air.
Yeah.
Different big bird.
What does a bird say?
Foo, foo, foo. Like that.
Oh.
And it's coming. Oh, there it is. There it is.
There it is.
There's a big bird.
Say bye, bird.
Bye, bird. It's a little one.
Yeah, you landed on the tree?
Yeah, on there on tree. I can fly. I can fly.
Yeah, can you fly? No. How do you fly?
I'm a little bird. Fly. I can flap like this. I can't.
You can't?
Yeah, I can fly in the sky. I can't do it.
You can't fly in the sky?
Yeah.
Are you a bird? What are you?
I'm Cory.
You're what?
I can't walk like I can't walk.
Mm-hmm.
I can walk. Okay, Mama.
Okay, say bye.
No.
Say bye to the camera. No?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to turn it off. Say bye. No? What do you want to say?
Oh, a big bird's coming. It's coming.
Yeah.
It's coming.
Okay, can you whistle again? Okay, say bye. Okay, well, I'm going to turn it off.